Hi, I'm Alison. I work for the London Wildlife Trust as a visitor engagement ranger. Did you know that the clothes that we wear are dyed of all these bright colours using chemicals? But our ancestors back in the day used to use different plants. There's many different plants and berries that can be used for dyes. On our nature reserves, we like to leave all the plants, flowers and berries for the animals, insects and birds that feed on them. So I thought I'd show you how to make some natural dyes from kitchen scraps and vegetables and even some spices you might find in your cupboard. You'll need a pan, about 500 ml of water, chopping board, a knife, a sieve and an adult to help you chop and boil. You could use the skin of an onion, so just peel them off as you're using them in the kitchen and store them in a brown paper bag until you have enough. 4 or 5 will do. A red cabbage, avocado skins and stones. So for these you need to scrape all those gooey green bits off and you can store them in the freezer till you have enough. 3 or 4 will do. Okay, so now it's time to make the dyes. First you need to chop the cabbage up using the knife and the board. Get an adult to help you with this. And then it's the same process for all 3 dyes. I'm going to demonstrate with the avocado. So take your skins and stones and put them into the pan. And then add your water. Use a different pan for each one of your dyes or else you're just going to end up with one soggy mess. And you need to take the pans and put them on to boil for an hour on a gentle simmer. After that, switch the pans off and leave it to cool. You can leave them overnight if you want. Then use your sieve to strain away all the bits and bobs so you've got a nice dye left behind. Look how beautiful they are. I've got an extra dye here, this orange one. This is made from haldi or turmeric. You simply just need to mix some of the turmeric with water to make this lovely orange colour. So the best items to dye are things made out of cotton or linen. So go and ask an adult for an old white t-shirt. Today I'm going to use calico. So you can buy this online from craft shops and I'm going to make some bunting today. So you need to wet your clothing, your t-shirt or the bunting and give it a really good wring out, really squeeze it out. Then grab a bit of the material, make a peak and take your elastic band and wrap it around. So the elastic band's going to stop the dye taking, so that'll stay the colour of your t-shirt or your material. So you can do this as many times as you want with the elastic bands till you've got lots of little bobbles all over. Right, take it out, hang it up somewhere to dry for an hour and then come back and see the results. I'm off for a walk on the reserve. See you in a bit. Ooh, it's a beautiful one, look. Look at that. Have fun with your dyeing projects and don't forget to upload your pictures onto the Wildlife Trust social media. If you have dyed a t-shirt, when you're washing your t-shirt, please do it in a separate washing machine from any other clothes because the dye might run. Bye for now.